Hi Divination, this is Aless Design, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set up your privacy policy page, your terms and conditions page, and shipping and returns page. To start off, go to Pages, then find your privacy policy page, click Edit, allow the Divi Builder. Now choose a pre-made layout. Wait to load up. Click here, your saved layout, and search for the privacy policy layout. Okay. Click Publish. Wait to update and go to view your new page. Okay, here we have an extra text we don't need, so go here, and actually it's this section. Delete it, click Update, and when it's updated, go to the page, refresh it, and as you can see, it's already done. Okay, now let's move on to the next page, and this page it's going to be the terms and conditions page. Terms and conditions. Use the Divi Builder. Choose a pre-made layout, go to your saved layouts and find the terms and conditions layout. Okay, wait to load and click Publish. Okay, let's view the page. And it's done. Okay, you can enable the visual builder and change the text here. Okay, now let's make the last one. Add new shipping and returns page. Okay, use the Divi Builder. Choose the pre-made layout, click your saved layouts and click on the layout, wait to load and click Publish. Let's see the result. Okay, it's perfectly fine. You can now change the text and you're ready to go. Okay, Divination, that was it for this tutorial. We showed you how to set up your terms and conditions page, your shipping and returns page, and privacy policy page. Thank you and stay tuned.